Uh, Construction problem. A gardener has a 30-foot by 20-foot rectangular plot of ground, as you can see in the figure. She wants to build a brick walkway of uniform width on the border of the plot. Look, I see the figure. It says here, if the gardener wants to have 400 square feet of ground left for planting, how wide to 2 decimal places should she build the walkway? Okay, so if this is x and this is also x, so this one now, this inside here is 20 minus 2x. And if this is x and this is x, then this inside is 30 minus 2x. But he wants to have 400 square foot. That means the area of this, the area will be 400 square foot. So area for this plot now is 20 minus x, the base. I will start with the base, sorry. The base should be, it doesn't matter really, but maybe you will be confused. 30 minus 2x, that's the base, and the height will be, or the width is 20 minus 2x. Substituting the value of the area that he wants, or the gardener wants, we have 400. That's 400 square feet, and if we multiply now, we have 30 times 20, this one, I have 600 minus 60x minus 40x plus 4x squared. If we subtract both sides of the equation by 600, then we have negative 200. No, sorry, it should be the other way around. If we subtract 400 to both sides of the equation, subtract, not add, then this is 0 is equal to 200 minus 100x plus 4x squared. If divide both sides of the equation by 4, then we have, if I will rearrange that, then I have x squared minus 25x plus 50 is equal to 0. We're going to solve x by the quadratic formula. Then we have x is equal to, our b now is negative 25 plus minus the square root of negative 25 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, and c, which is 50, divided by 2 times 1. Then we have 25 plus minus the square root of 625 minus 25 times 25 is 625 minus 200. Then it will give divided by 2, and it will give us 25 plus minus the square root of 425 divided by 2. That's our x. So our one possibility is 25 plus 425. The square root of that is 2.62. You can use that 20.62 divided by 2. And another possibility is 25 minus 20.62 divided by 2. So if we solve that, plus 25 divided by 2, then we have 22.81 feet. That's our x. The other x is 425 square root negative plus 25. Then we have 4.3, 38 divided by 2. Then it is 2.19 feet. As you can see, okay. We got two possibilities, but we need to go back to which of them is more reliable in terms of what it needs in the problem. When you look at it and the figure, the x is not that big, or not that wide. 22.81, that means that you have to put bricks all over this one. For this one, I should write it for the whole this. For this x, more than 20, and you have more here. So you cannot use this. Let's check if we can get 20 times minus 2 times 2.19. Multiplied by 30 minus 2 times 2.19. Maybe it's better to do that. Okay, here is my calculator now. Then we have 20 minus 2 times 2.19, and then we have 30 times minus 2 times 2.19. Then we have 400.1844, because of that we rounded it off to 2 decimal places, so it's almost 400. So I hope you learned something from this series of videos, the application of what's this, quadratic equations, and yeah, it's easier to solve than to explain in this series of videos. And with my limited English also, that's one of the reasons. I hope you learned something anyway. In my next series of videos, I will be discussing quadratic optimization. It means that we're going to discuss the minimum and maximum of the quadratic function. And see you around. Have a nice day.